guys, what is going on today? So I hope my neighbours aren't too angry, because I'm still waiting on parts for that D-Cat, so it's ridiculously loud. I hope I didn't annoy everyone around me. But today we are getting the brakes done on this car. I've got full set of Brembo pads to put on it, because the brakes on this are worn and they're a bit shit at the minute. So we're going to make all the brakes feel like new, hopefully. So let's get to it. Jack up the car, we'll take the wheels off. I've got limited time today. I've got about 2-3 hours to do this before the light goes. But from the last brakes video, we saw I could do a wheel in 15 minutes, so we've got plenty of time. So let's get started. So guys, pads, same as last time, simple. One bolt here, comes out, remove pads, replace pads, compress the piston, and it's easy. Oh yes! I know you want it. I'm getting fed up of oversized bolts. Over tightened bolts. Bring the noise. Turn it up. There you go, guys. Comes forward. Gently remove these 2 clips. Go. Try these out. Actually, there's a lot left on them pads. Actually, these ones look almost new. Look at that, guys. There's almost no difference in the thickness at all, if that focuses. But I've bought these now, so let's put them on. Such a loose, this compared to Milosh's car doing this last time, these ones are such a looser fit in the actual caliper. His ones were actually really stiff, you had to properly push them in, which I thought was a bit weird doing it, but there's no code for like right left, is there? No. And then this one just slots around the back. Yeah, we are going to have to compress the piston a little bit. That actually looks so much easier than Milosh's one. I know you want it. I know you want it. Turn it up. Bring the noise. Turn it So guys, for this rear one, it was different for me, because if you come around here, this top one here, this is completely smooth, there's no bolt. Oh, I can't see a bolt anyway, which kind of confused me. And then I come down here, and this cap was on it, and that was completely smooth, but I didn't realise that was a cap, but I could just pull that off, and that revealed a little small bolt here. So this one will probably go the other way, ping up. So guys, back pads are now on. They're a little different because you actually have to unwind the handbrake adjustment, I think it is, which is just this little piece here. I don't know if that will focus. That's just an Allen key. It goes around the back. You've got to undo like a little shield to get to it, and then you can just do the same steps as before. I need to now just go and learn. I need to now go and learn how to readjust these because I don't actually know how to set it to the right thing. And then this side will be done. So guys, I've just finished them back ones. They took a little longer than normal because I weren't sure how to do them ones, because you have to like unwind the handbrake cable thing to be able to get like the pads out, which I was kind of new to doing that, so it took a lot longer. But as you can see, I'm running out of light, so I'm going to jack up both of them wheels, do them both at the same time, and try and get them done pretty quick because I haven't got much time left. So let's get to it. So guys, my camera actually ran out of battery, so I ended up finishing it. I got all the wheels back on, as you can see around here. I put all the wheels back on, all the brakes are on. It's all finished. I'm going to quickly take for a little spin around the block just to make sure they all work, and I want to make sure the handbrake works as well. And that's it for this video guys. All the brakes are fitted, all the pads, they're all Brembo pads. I hope they'll feel good, and I'll see you in the next video. I know you want it. Don't hold back.